Something is cooking. What's up guys, we're back with the latest tech scoop. Today we'll be taking a look at resurrection plans for the Galaxy Note lineup, Samsung's crazy pricing for the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Flip, amazing gift offers plus more. Let's get right into it. Okay, so Galaxy Note news is back and we gotta talk about this. It's like the biggest mystery. What's gonna happen? A whole decade of devices, a whole generation of fans. There's definitely more to this, and well, Samsung could be cooking something big for the Galaxy Note series. We have quite possibly the biggest trademark patent filing from Samsung ever, total of 10 exciting names. First official trademark is the Flex Note. This could mean flexible / foldable panels for the upcoming Galaxy Note series, and with that we have a range of possibilities. In addition to a foldable phone, a Flex display can be used as a slidable or a rollable screen. Then we got more Flex trademarks, so we have Flex N, Flex Clamshell, interestingly Flex Bar and Flex Square. The only bar / square looking device from Samsung is definitely a Galaxy Note phone. And finally we have the slidable and rollable trademarks in the names. This is something that Samsung has planned. In case you guys don't know, slidable / rollable devices are planned for late 2022. So all in all, very interesting, and like I said, possibly the biggest patent trademark filing from Samsung. Most interesting one is definitely the Flex Note. For the Note series to come back, it has to offer something more than just an integrated S Pen. It needs to have a standout place in Samsung's flagship lineup, and trust me, there's still a lot of hype for the Note's return, and Samsung can surely use that momentum and cash in. Based on this filing, it seems like something is cooking. Now moving on, we have some amazing gift offers coming later down this year. The Unpacked 2021 happening on August 11th. A lot of new exciting phones will be announced, particularly the Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Flip lineup. Once again, it's said that Samsung could be very generous and they can offer some amazing gifts for those who go for the Flip or the Fold. According to the leaks, free Galaxy Buds 2 as well as free Galaxy Watch 4 can be paired with Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 purchase. That is a crazy value because we're talking $300 to $400 range free items. Now speaking of value, Samsung can be incredibly generous when it comes to the pricing for the both Galaxy Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. The Z Flip 3 could start at about $1,000, whereas the Z Fold 3 could cost about $1,600. That is a pretty significant drop if you compare these prices to the last year's models. Since we won't be seeing the Galaxy Note 21, these are definitely Samsung's biggest star of the show for second half of this year. The only exciting traditional smartphone that Samsung will be announcing on August 11th will be Galaxy S21 FE. So that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the upcoming possibilities for the Galaxy Note lineup. Samsung is not done with the Note series, neither the fans. The king will be back. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.